quick rundown of what I'm taking. Clothing is going to be basically my really thin combats. I mean, they're extremely thin, but they do a good job. Anyway, got my army cloak, which is pretty much my essential. It's a really nice, keeps all the wind out. It's a bit bulky and heavy, but it is bloody essential. 2 sleeping bags inside my helmet sack. My oven ready tinfoil round sheet blanket, tinfoil blankie thing. 2 litres of water. Kettle. Rechargeable torch, lighter, USB rechargeable, very, very handy. My cup. 2 things this time. Now coffee, milk, and whitener. 3 slices of brown bread. 6 rashers of smoky bacon. Bit of scrap rubbish cardboard paper to get the fire going. Homemade spirits. No, wet hand. Homemade spirits. Bit of tissue paper. Sock. Only the one little bit of cord this time. Literally all this cord is going to be doing is stringing from one tree to another so I can hang my Bergen. So I got it at hand so I can reach it during the night, so I can hang my bottle of water on it, and my boots. Don't have your boots on the ground. You can guarantee if something doesn't steal them, something will shit in them. So hang your boots up. 2 tarps. These are the ones that came, well, one came with the hammock. So I've got those 2, nice, lightweight. One just covers the main hammock, just covers it. 2 of them covers the entire thing, no issues at all. Hammock, spare t-shirt. By the time I've walked up there, I'm going to be sweaty. This way, I can put a dry shirt on, no issues at all. Got my radio, torch, radio, that's what I really need it for. Paracetamol just in case, a few extra mints, literally that's all I take. I only have 2 or 3. It's a nice little energy buzz. And of course, the walking stick, which has the, I was tempted to take a knife, but there's so much dead wood up there, I don't need a knife. So I'm just going to take this, I'm going to give that a bit of a sharpen actually, just to give it a bit more of an edge, because that's going to be too flat. And that way I can just make a bit of kindling if I need to. So that goes in there. That is all, oh, and of course underquilts. Yeah. Very, very handy thing. All going to go inside the Bergen. That is pretty much all I'm going to be taking tonight. I might take another little, actually no I won't, because I've still got cardboard up there stashed under a tree from 2 weekends ago. So I always leave something behind for emergencies for the next time, as well as my little homemade blowpipe I made out of a bamboo stick. So that is pretty much it. It's a lot less weight than last week, so I'm not bothering with the new tarp. It's too heavy. If it was raining, if it was going to be really cold, yes, but I don't need it. I'm taking what I need. I am tempted to take my hammock chair, which I've only used so far in the house, just to make sure it worked, but it's heavy. That's the problem. It is a fair weight for what it is. Yeah, that is it basically. Just need to put the coffee, milk and whitener in there, fill that with water, and I'm done. I am tempted to take an extra layer like a jumper or something, because it is getting pretty cold out there. The wind is picking up. So you might have a registered temperature on a map, but then you've got the actual temperature with the chill factor. And it's not just a chill factor from the wind. That's what they tell you on the map. So they say, oh, it feels like this. That's taking into account the air temperature with the wind. What they don't take into account is how cold it is and how cold it feels when you've got water, air coming off of the sea. Because the sea will suck out all the warmth. And there's a big ass spider in that window. I've still got a lump on my leg when I was bitten by a spider 4 days ago. In bed, not out in the wilderness, no issues in the wilderness. So that is my kit for tonight. Aside from that, all I'm really going to do is have a couple of gloves on my spirits before I leave. Get the edge of the pain to my leg. Yeah, the usual wrist strap, knee straps. Get the pain off, take the strain off the pain. And coffee. Coffee, 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 coffee.